आज हम न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स के बारे में कुछ एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ न्यूट्रिएंट?
Answer is D, all of these. Question number second is human beings can be categorized as. Answer is A, heterotrophs. Question number third is the food making process in plants is called as. Answer is B, photosynthesis. Question number fourth is which part of the plant is called its food factory? Answer is C, leaves. Question number fifth is tiny pores present on the surface of leaves through which gases exchange occurs are called. Answer is A, stomata.
थैंक यू क्लास। आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम और भी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस के बारे में जानेंगे।